All right, now I'm going to move on to Chapter 7, Section F2.2, exercises, the practice exercises. Here I'm asked to compare three complex statements. Right, problem number 1 says to compare A if and only if B, that's A triple bar B, with not B or C and not C if and only if triple bar A. Okay? And I'm asked to compare these statements to see if they are consistent or inconsistent, which means, again, do I ever see a row where all of them are true? If the answer is yes, they are consistent. If the answer is no, they are inconsistent. And all I need to do is check their main operators. But that means I got to construct the truth table. And here it's going to be a little ugly because I have an A, I have a B, and I have a C, which means I'm going to need 8 rows. So A, B, C. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 rows. Long truth table. I have A if and only if B, not B or C, and not C triple bar A. Okay, so I got to fill all this in. It's a big truth table for you as well, but at least in your case, you don't have to fill in all the trues and falses. You can use what it gives you for the A's, B's, and C's. But let me go ahead and fill it all in. I'm going to need true, 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 false, 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 false. I'm just going to fill in all the A's first. True, 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 false, 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 false. True, 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 false, 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 false. Now the B's. True, true, false, false, true, true, false, false. True, true, false, false, true, true, false, false. True, true, false, false, true, true, false, false. A little tedious, honestly. Now the C's. True, false, true, false, true, false, true, false. True, false, true, false, true, false, true, false. True, false, true, false, true, false, true, false. Okay. So, looks maybe pretty difficult. Certainly it's long, but in truth, it's really not a hard problem. This is one of those areas where you just need to be careful. Again, not looking for partial credit here. It's not going to happen. So just make sure we fill it in correctly and get it right. So when we're comparing the A and the B, the triple bar, remember, will come out true if I see the same truth value on either side. Okay? Triple bar means they have the same truth value, so it'll come out true if they do. So if I see T and T, then T. T and T, T. T and F, F. T and F, F. F and T, F. F and T, F. F and F, true. F and F, true. Circle that. I have that done. All right. Now I'll move over here. Choice between the tilde and the wedge. Start with the tilde. It should have the opposite truth value of the B. So false, false, true, true, false, false, true, true. Now I need to fill out the value for the wedge. Remember, I'm comparing the tilde column with the C column. So that's going to be true if I see a T on either of those. Right, so true here because C is true. False because both are false. True, 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 false, true, and I'm sorry, true. Almost missed that one. Right. That one's true there. See, it is easy to make a mistake here. So let's just circle that. Okay. Now, need to move on to the third statement here. I have a choice between the tilde and the triple bar. Again, I start with tilde in that case. So I should have the opposite truth value of the C here. So it should be false, true, false, true, false, true, false, true. Now the triple bar is going to be comparing the column under the tilde with the A. And I need to see they have the same truth value. So they do not here, so false. They do here, so true. False and true gives me false. True and true gives me true. False and false gives me true. True and false gives me false. False and false gives me true. And true and false gives me false. Okay. Now I need to compare the truth values under the main operators to see if they're ever all true at the same time. All right. So, true, true, false, no. True, false, true, no. False, no. False, no. False, no. False, no. True, true, true. Yes. Right. That is a row that I'm looking for there. I just checked it off because I was happy to find it, which means that these are, in fact, although it only happens once, these are consistent. There is some scenario where all these statements are true. Right? I hope that helps.